Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Esther Sanami and you are welcome to Goodness Catering and Event. On this channel I talk about all things baking tutorials, tips and hacks, lifestyle, baking tips, cooking and more. So hit the subscribe button now. Hit the bell icon to get notifications when I drop updates. So today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make cupcake. You do not need a mixer. This recipe is super easy to make and straight to the point. But this recipe, I'll be making use of cake flour. So if you do not know how to make cake flour, you can't get it anywhere in your local store, you can't get anywhere in the market, click the description button below and you'll see a link to the video of where I showed you how to make your cake flour fast and easy. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. For this recipe, I'll be making use of 1 cup of cake flour, 1/4 cup of melted margarine, I'll be melting this later, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of flavor, any flavor of your choice, 1 egg, and that is all we'll be needing for our recipe. So in order to melt your margarine, boil your hot water, then place the margarine inside the hot water and allow it to melt. So this is my margarine already melted, so I went ahead to measure it with my cup. So into a bowl, add your melted margarine. To that you'd add your sugar, and with your whisk you cream and mix until it is well combined. Add in your egg and mix. Add in your 1 teaspoon of flavor as well and combine everything together. Set that aside, and into your cake flour you're going to add in your baking powder, 1 teaspoon, and stir. And we're going to be sieving this into the butter and sugar mixture. At this point, I'll remove my whisk and I'll use a wooden spatula to stir the flour until it is well combined. Do not overmix your batter. So now is the time to add your 1/3 cup of milk, and you're going to mix this until your batter is smooth and runny. So guys, here's our batter, and I'm going to be filling my cupcake liner. You're not going to fill it complete, just like about 2/3 of the paper, so that when it's baking and it rises, it doesn't spill over. So gently tap so that you can have it well leveled. So I'll be baking this in the pot. So into my pot I already have another iron that will be holding my cake pan. I've been preheating the pot before now, so cover it up and allow it to bake. Wait, if you watched the video to this point, wow, you are so amazing. Please, if you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button now and turn on the notification bell so that you can get updates when I drop new videos. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. So let's go and check our cake. So guys, after about 20 minutes our cake is baked. As you can see, I did not use an oven. So if you don't have oven and you really want to bake and enjoy your cakes at home, then this recipe is perfect. And See the result of our cake. It is very soft, very fluffy, and so delicious. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and I'll answer them. Like and share this video. Thank you for watching.